guys, good morning. We are here at Best Buy.
Tell me I was sticking this in my mouth because kids are watching.
Yeah, we are here at Best Buy and then we are trying to find Dad a washer and dryer because his dryer and washer are broken, and well, my husband are going to buy them. A good son. Oh.
Yeah, I mean, they had to go to the one in the apartment complex they got, and they give them looks like a credit card. They have to load money and then you slide it in, you turn it on. They can't figure that out.
Yeah, they can't do that. So.
He can't figure anything out. That's why we bought him a phone once. That didn't last.
You don't know how to operate anything.
And he's just like, well, we're not using it. And so that's another story. But he's at that age. And we're getting him a real simple machine. As far as him, I need to find one of those machines that say start. That's it. That's it. That's seriously God. Start. And then a dryer. Start. No settings on it. Then he'd be happy.
Yeah, I know.
So she's going to help out. My wife's real good. She helps them out. Cuts her hair and all that kind of stuff. They won't shave no more. Because now, she'll cut their hair. And at the same time, shave them.
Yeah.
So anything that they can get out of doing.
Yeah.
And then I told them, I said, when I get in, I'll get it a washer and dryer. Oh, good. We can wait till then. I said, what are you wearing? We're the same clothes. They won't take a shower anymore.
I got it.
It's like, and my dad never used deodorant. Well, what I buy that stuff for? And that's because he stank. He says, it's just regular smell. I see you stink. Use deodorant. Use cologne. You can't. Well, they probably would if my dad's so stingy. He's got money. He's got a lot. He won't spend nothing. He acts like he's broke. He looks like a homeless person.
Yeah, I know.
He wears the old Converse. These gym shoes must be 40 years old. They're all falling apart. His coat, my wife bought him brand new coats for the winter time. Real nice ones. And the coats they had, I swear to God, they looked like he was in a knife fight. He had cuts all through it. I'm thinking, how can that be warm? He's all wear 2 or 3 of them.
I tried to throw that coat, and he said to me, no, that's a sentimental value. I want to keep that. That's why I tried to. You don't want.
We'll wait for a couple more, maybe another 6 months. When he really loses his mind, we're going to start throwing everything out because he won't wash nothing.
It's funny.
My dad used to be the clean freak. Every weekend he walked around and he cleaned the whole apartment. There was no dust. He vacuumed. He steam cleaned his carpets every 3 weeks. I mean, this place was a show place. God, you would never know. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to start cleaning the floors for him this next 4 or 5 days. Clean all the floors, do all the bathrooms, do the shower, clean the whole kitchen up. Now, she does a good job, but we're going to take everything out, wash it, clean all the cabinets, everything. And I just hope I don't get that way.
Yeah.
I told her if I do, put me in the boat, put me out in the ocean, and tell me to go look for Moby Dick or something. I don't know.
Look for the fish. So yun lang guys, we are here at Best Buy.
I got a good wife, and I mean this. I was married once in the United States first, okay, and I messed up. I had friends in the Marine Corps had Filipino wives, and this. You marry a Filipino, if you don't, you're going to screw your life up. I did. Got me a Filipino wife. I know you American women probably go, well, give you a thumbs down. Well, I'll give you a fingers up. But anyway, I'm just saying, be honest.
Yeah.
This woman's, I know there's some good white women out there, or good black women, or wherever you want, Chinese or whatever. But I've had nothing but perfect with this wife.
Thank you.
Now, she screws up once in a while. I do too. This morning she wanted a cup of coffee. I gave her a cup of coffee. Does she drink it? She never drinks her coffee. She lets it lay around. Then she climbed around this morning, dropped her purse from the top cabinet. Her real nice Coach purse I bought, really expensive. and drops coffee on it. And she goes, oh my God. I didn't say anything because I make mistakes too. I waited for about a half hour and I says, well, did you get your coffee this morning? Because I poured it for her. And I think, you got to quit laying this shit around. But she's a good girl. You know, that's why I didn't say anything. If something bad happens in a relationship, it doesn't, the other person needs to kind of walk away from it, you know, and no one's hurt, and just let them deal with it. Because when you say something, they're pissed off that it happened anyway, and just makes it worse. You wait till they cool down, and just like I found this out a little while ago, guys. Filipino wives are good about this. If you get them mad, just give them a kiss. They have to be nice after that. They smile and she always tells me, she says, darn you. She says, I was going to be mad for a while. When you kiss me, well, I can't be mean about that. And she's happy again. So guys, kiss your wife every morning. Kiss her before you go to bed. Now, if the husband falls asleep, the wife won't kiss me. 2 nights ago, I fell asleep early. She won't kiss me.
I don't want to wake you up.
I ain't gonna wake me up.
By the time you wake up, guys, I cannot sleep again. So I just walk.
Excuses.
What?
And the day we're driving over here, I'm talking to her. And all of a sudden, I looked over, I'm thinking, she's not communicating with me anymore. She had the earphone to her head, and you too.
I want some.
Her lifeline. She is fooling around on me. Her other boyfriend is YT. I'm tired of it. And there's another thing I want to say real quick. We're going to do a live pretty soon. We're going to do a shout out for all the friends we have. But Ward, that lives out there south of Seattle. You know, I'm not trying to be rude. I haven't seen you guys for a while because you went to the Philippines, but I forgot. Could you send me a picture of your wife? I forgot what she looks like. And the damnest thing, I can't remember her name. So if you send me her picture, her name, I really, really appreciate it. I can't figure out, is it Eve? Is Eve married to Ward?
No.
See, I don't know. So if you would help me on that, I would really appreciate it. Okay? I gotta go now. I'm gonna smoke a cigarette before we, if kids are around, I'm gonna eat this thing.
Bye, guys.
This is the easiest one to go out.
So this is one my husband try to get, guys, because it's easy. Right. You want the simple one to the old people.
Yeah, that's why I got that, because they had that big memory.
We're cleaning the house, guys, like really clean, deep cleaning the house. Because his dad don't really care. Works. Ay naku guys, kailangan talaga niyang bumili para sa kanyang tatay kasi hindi na kaya nila maglinis. Then wala masyadong, basta hindi na makaya maglinis, so kailangan namin maglinis sa kanila. Kaya si Steve, siya ang gagastos sa mga panglinis. You have now?
We're only doing this one time.
We're going to grocery, guys. Yes. Sit there. Watch your head.